So now we needed to move the boxes from the driveway to the rear yard. It only took 2 guys to unload and dump at our driveway. It was a lot more effort for a wifey, child, and me to move the boxes back. Now the instructions recommend we open each box and make sure no parts are missing. The only way to do this is open up every box and lay out every piece, and compare it with the packing slip for each box. You need a lot of floor space and lots of time to accomplish this. And there must be over 50 or 100 bags of screws, bolts, and hardware that also gets shipped in individual bags and numbered. The kit comes with a lot of instructions and resources. First of all, there is a 213-page assembly manual. Here's our well-worn book. Then there is a downloadable app for your cell phone, complete with animation and an AI-generated voice.
To complete this procedure, you will need an electric drill, a Phillips head bit, a 1/8 of an inch drill, 195, and 4 lock washers. Attach 1 G04.
The video app was useful for orienting each part. But once you got the hang of how things are put together, we didn't really use this as much.
We're going to bolt the two together. So this one, just kind of hold it like this. Okay, come on this side.
The instructions are well laid out and I would say about 99% accurate. There are a few spots where the directions were the mirror image or shown backwards. But like anything, you just need to double check and then move on. It did trip us up a little bit here and there, because wifey was insistent that we follow the directions.
Let me just put this in the, I want to put this in the bed.
Over the next few weekends, the greenhouse went up piece by piece. We had a few beautiful fall weekends when we could work outside and continue the build.
We want the controls to be inboard, so it doesn't matter.
No, put it as per
It says
the,
top.
it says top?
Yeah, top.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Follow the directions, Daddy.
Yeah, but it's not.
No,
It says
no,
top
yeah,
directly
no.
on it.
Yeah, but then.
Follow the directions. No, no negotiations.
Slowly. Slowly. Pull it down. Okay, push down from the top. Don't worry about the wood. Yeah? Alright, we're putting angles, bracket angles. One comment about the kit greenhouse, I would have preferred to stick build this with 2x4s from ground up. I built our shed the same way a couple of years ago, but I was younger and it would have taken 3 or 4 times as long. But the other thing is that the whole family could participate, with wifey and kid reading the instructions, searching for that particular piece of wood, screwing, hammering, bolting the pieces. You could also track your progress by what page you are on in the booklet. So as a family activity, believe it or not, it brought us together. And it brought us apart because wifey realized this wasn't going to go up in 1 or 2 weekends.